Whatever you are trading, we have something in common. It's called moving averages. Every trader using this in their charts, and it's very helpful if you are using correctly. Now in this video you will learn how to use moving averages properly. One of the great thing about moving average is you can find these indicators on any platform, whether you are trading with TradingView or Trade08 or Think whatever it is. It is available on all platforms and 99% it is free. What we're gonna do now is we will head over to indicators tab and search for moving averages, and you will see this one, moving average exponential. We will not be using simple moving average in this video. We will be using moving average exponential because in my experience I found it more useful, this one. So click once to add to your chart, and after you add it, this line will pop up on your screen. And what you want to do now is let's go over the settings and change your length to 200. This part is very important. Now let's go to style tab. Let's make it bolder so you can see in a very clear way. If you done that, just hit the OK button. How we gonna trade with this only one line? I will explain you everything in coming minutes, so hold on, it will be a banger video. This line will define us whether the market is bullish or bearish. It is very easy to use. When you see that price is trading above this EMA line, it means a bullish price action is going on in the market. And when you see that cross down from this price action, it means that price can go lower and it's a bearish price action going on in the market. But you cannot take a signals only with just one indicator. And what you're gonna do now is you will head over to your indicators tab and search for EMA one more time, and you will click twice to add to your chart. Why? Because we will combine some amazing EMA here, and first length will be 8, and you will go to style tab again. You will make it, let's say, yellow. You can choose whatever you want. This is my favorite colors. Now we will go to third one, and you can choose the purple, let's say, and for the input you will make it 21. So these numbers are, you can change, you can play around to see what is best for you. Lower than 7, it will create a high aggressive signal, so make sure you keep it high when you just starting out. If you done that, just hit the OK button. Now the common question is the time frame. Which time frame should we trade on? Which market is suitable for this? And the answer is very simple. It's not so complicated. Whether you are trading with the 15 seconds or up until 1 day, it will work smoothly. Only thing is you need to follow some strategies and some rules. And what are the rules are is you will go hierarchically with the first one, which is 200 EMA. If 200 EMA is looking bullish, what does that mean? If the price trading above the 200 EMA line, it is a bullish price action, and we will be only taking long signals until the price goes below the 200 EMA line over here. Very easy, right? So the second rule is a cross up or the cross down from our 8 and the 21 EMA. Now I'm trading on 1 minute on demonstration purposes, but we can switch 3 minute, no problem. We can switch 5 minute, no problem. And now let's continue with the, let's say, like a 5 minutes, right? You get a cross up over here. If you zoom out, you can see that we have a cross up over here with the candle closes. What you want to do now is you will wait patiently until you get the price trading above the 200 EMA. And what you want to do is you will confirm with the other EMAs. You will see that if you get crossed down or not, because if you get crossed down, the whole setup will invalidate it. You will initiate your long position with the bar close here, and you will put your stop loss to the recent support line, and you will target the recent highs. You can target this one. Let's zoom out over here. You can target this one. This will be a great target. So you will ride your trade until you get the full TP. So you just open your chart and you are watching the market just like me now, and you are waiting for next opportunity. What you want to do now is you will wait patient until opportunity comes to you. And what you see here is a candle closure below the 200 EMA and you got a cross down. What you want to do is you will initiate a short position with the bar close. You will target these recent lows and you will put your stop loss to the recent resistance line, and this will give you 1 to 2 risk reward ratio. And what I suggest is, this is a golden tip. If you want to use this strategy, please first go to the New York AM session and only took a trade on the New York AM session, not in the lunch, not in the PM, only in the New York AM session. You will get losers. This is a must. So you will not get 100% win rate, but in the end of the day, you will make a nice amount of money, to enough to pass your challenge, to enough to request a payout. Let's say you will take 3 trades, you will get 1 lose. So it's like a 70% win rate, maybe like 60% win rate. But this is a very solid strategy. If you play it on your chart, you will see it yourself. And this 200 EMA line is playing a key role when it comes to ranging market. This will help you to avoid the ranging market. So it can give you sell, buy, sell, buy, sell, buy. You can wait until a new cross up or down from the 200 EMA to initiate a new position. It will be very helpful tip for you. So the final advice will be to you this: go to indicators tab and search for EMA. You will click the moving average exponential and go to settings. You can change your length to 50, and for the style you can make a, like, let's say this time a purple, and you will make it bolder, and that's it. That hit the OK button. So what will give you is, this will give you another confirmation for take a long or short. But the more indicator you add, the more complicated chart will be, and you will take a less trades, and this will not something you want, I guess. And you can see here that the first cross up will be coming from the 8 EMA. Why? Because it will calculate the last 8 candles moves to give you this line. If you go to about this script section, you can see a detailed explanation of how to use the EMA, and this is the formula of the moving average exponential. You can see here, you can see all the definition, you can see what to look for and the summary, and this is basically what it is. But if you want to become a profitable trader, I highly suggest you keep it very easy with your trading strategy if you want to become a successful trader. So that was all for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If so, please consider watching those videos, and until the next time, see you soon.
From the city to the beach, you plan the nights in reach. Trading stocks, making moves. I'm the boss at 3, 2, 1. Got the hustle in my blood.